Hi guys, it's Louis from Novsight. Today we're gonna introduce one of my favorite products, our brand new Novsight LED headlight for bicycles. This light was specifically designed for night riders on and off the road and extensively improve the visibility when you are riding. But what distinguishes this light from others? I mean, there are like thousands of LED lights for bicycle now on eBay and Amazon, so what's the difference? Novsight offers you 3 advantages that give you a visible and polite ride. I'm sure all of you must come across a night rider that blinded you once when you're driving or just walking down the road. So one of the biggest differences is that we designed this unique cut-off line according to European standard so that it won't blind others or car drivers while you still can have a great visibility on the road, securing you and other safety at the same time. Also, Novsight LED has almost the highest light output on the market after we comparing it with other bicycle LEDs. There are 3 brightness settings, and for the maximum brightness is 140 lux with super wide range and 33 feet long. To prove that, we make a comparison between this light and the LED headlight on the vehicle. As you can see, the brightness of this light can almost reach LED car headlights. And the most important thing is the beam pattern is clean and uniform. To double secure safety while riding on the traffic, we also designed a wireless remote that you can mount near your thumb and switch settings without taking off one of your hands. Also, the set comes with universal GoPro bracelet, which is easy to install. After we demonstrate some example, I believe you guys already know what is this LED headlight is capable of. And yeah, this is today's video. If you have any kinds of question, please leave a message or have a little chat with our customer service. This is Louis. Hope you guys enjoy your ride.